Good morning friends. I hope you all must have gone through one of my earlier videos on Charter for FCRA registered organizations. However, first time in the history of FCRA, specifically a charter has been released also for the chartered accountants involved in auditing of such FCRA registered organizations. So now the CAs shall also be expected to play a vital role and thus helping the MHA department in determining whether the registered organizations are compliant with the regulations or not. It has been mentioned that the chartered accountants are obliged to conduct performance as well as forensic audits. I repeat, the chartered accountants are obliged to conduct performance as well as forensic audit to ensure that the receipts and utilization of foreign contribution has happened within the four corners of the law. An expectation has been set by the department from the professionals that they should provide guidance to the associations in maintaining their accounts and utilizing the foreign contribution only and only as provided under the FCRA law. They have been requested to update themselves thoroughly with the FCRA 2010 and the rules thereof, along with the amendments and notifications released by the department from time to time. Through the charter, it seems that the chartered accountants are entrusted with the following important tasks: to verify whether the associations are eligible to receive the foreign contribution, to ensure that the association receives and utilizes the foreign contribution through its bank account exclusively opened for the purpose in accordance with the amended provisions of FCRA 2010 and Foreign Contribution Regulation Rules 2011, and that the foreign contribution is not deposited in or utilized from the bank account being used for domestic funds. To assist in proper preparation and maintenance of records and books of accounts in accordance with the provisions of FCRA 2010 and FCRR 2011. And at last, to ensure that the annual returns of the association or NGO have been prepared and uploaded in accordance with the said provisions as amended from time to time. We, the team NGO Enabler, completely agree with the views expressed in the charter, as most of the associations does not have expertise in comprehending the law in its true spirit and lack proper guidance, due to which they ultimately fail to comply with the regulations. So yes, the professionals associated with such FCRA registered organizations should also bear the burden, as most of the associations completely depend upon their professionals for various compliances and handle them in a proper manner. So for latest updates, keep tuned to our channel, and for any queries you can contact us through email or comment below. Thank you.